Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to top up the windscreen washer system at your Mercedes-Benz C180 Coupe. Open the driver side and pull the lever to open the car hood. Now let's go to the front side of your vehicle and open the lock of the car hood near of the area of the Mercedes star. There it is. Now open the car hood. Yeah, go up and open it smooth and gentle. Let's have a look inside. This is the engine area. And if you're standing in front of your car, on the right side is a blue cap. Pull the cap upwards by the tab and clip it to the windshield washer system. Now fill the tank up with some wind washer liquid until the tank is full. Yeah, good job. If the liquid is coming out, it's full, as you can see. Now reassemble the clip. Good job by pressing on top of it, and job's done. So let's head up to the car hood again and close it. Drop it into the lock. Zap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.